Titanic movie. Idioms and phrases. Part 9 of 10. 5 idioms or phrases. I give you my word means to promise or make a solemn assurance. Have a good time means to enjoy oneself. Out of shape means not in good physical condition. Have no clue means to have no knowledge or understanding about something. On the right track means doing something correctly. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, part 9 of 10. Rose whispered to Jack, blank, I will survive for both of us. I give you my word, out of shape, I have no clue. Jack encouraged Rose to blank at the third-class dance. Have a good time, I give you my word, I have no clue. Some elder passengers found themselves blank when they had to climb stairs quickly. Out of shape, have a good time, on the right track. When the ship hit the iceberg, many people had blank what was happening. I have no clue, I give you my word, on the right track. Rose felt she was blank by choosing her own destiny, not her mother's. On the right track, out of shape, have a good time. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, part 9 of 10. Rose whispered to Jack, I give you my word, I will survive for both of us. Reason, I give you my word means to promise or make a solemn assurance. Jack encouraged Rose to have a good time at the third-class dance. Reason, have a good time means to enjoy oneself. Some elder passengers found themselves out of shape when they had to climb stairs quickly. Reason, out of shape means not in good physical condition. When the ship hit the iceberg, many people had no clue what was happening. Reason, have no clue means to have no knowledge or understanding about something. Rose felt she was on the right track by choosing her own destiny, not her mother's. Reason, on the right track means doing something correctly. Like, comment and subscribe.